Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are fit and fine. And now the channel is time is 11:25, and today again we are going to one place. As usual, I'm not going to be disclosing the place. When I reach there, I'm going to be telling you where we are going. So let's start our journey. So we all have seated in the bus, AC bus, okay, to go to that place. Here is my father sitting beside me, and my mother, and hello, and that's my mosi. So they are also sitting there. The bus hasn't started yet. It will definitely start soon. So all of you can see that the bus has started, again stopped. Now the location is Patuli, okay? We are in Patuli.
And we will go through bypass.
Bypass, yeah. We will go through bypass. This is actually floating market, very famous place in Patuli. So now we are going to bypass. Yeah, we are.
This is the bypass.
Yeah,
Bypass road.
bypass road. Yeah, exactly.
We are going through the same.
I love the place. Actually, very noise is there. I'm sorry for that because I'm in bus and everybody's talking at the moment. That's why. So we have reached our destination. Today we have came to Eco Park, and we all are going to be exploring here. And with me, all of you also explore the Eco Park.
Let's go.
Let's go. This is the ticket counter, okay? From here we will take our ticket to go inside. So we have entered in the place where 7 wonders of the world are, and let me tell you that you have to buy a separate ticket for seeing the 7 wonders. Okay, this is the pyramid of Egypt. All of you can see.
Model.
Yeah, model they have made. But I really want to know with what material they have made the things. See, many. This is a complete portion is of Egypt. You can see. My mother. Okay. So we are moving forward. Here also, and this thing we will be able to see. Like we have visited to Egypt. See? Wow, just look at it. Just look at it, my God. Oh, here means the space is so big, na? We are just mixing up where to go and where not to. So, see? This is mummy type of structure which we can see if we visit Egypt. And in the front there is Taj Mahal. Okay, yeah, we are moving forward. This I don't know, but this is very beautiful. See, waterfall is there in the side. Wait, I'm going nearer. Just look at the moment. Just see. So beautiful. Bridge. We are going on bridge. See, waterfall. Wow, and the structure is very beautiful actually. Wow, loved it. My God. Really, the space is so much beautiful. The place. Seven Wonders area is very beautiful. Okay, this is a Taj Mahal. Okay, all of you are able to see. It exactly looks like the original Taj Mahal, isn't that? Like I have visited to Agra and I'm just standing near the original Agra. I mean original Taj Mahal. So really beautiful.
পেটটা যেটা
যে ভিডিও করবে তার হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে যে ভিডিও করবে তার ফোকাস হবে অনলি ভিডিও
Just see, this is another structure. Wow, loving it. Very beautiful the place is. The structures are actually looking so original. So now we are I think we are going to be entering. Yeah, we are going to be entering. Let's see what's inside of this structure. Okay, that's good that we are able to enter in it. Just see. Wow, just see the faces, structures on the wall. Yeah, it's designed actually. Yeah, and from here you can get out. Isn't that? The most interesting part is that we can enter in it. So I liked it very much. And my Mosi and my mother are busy taking pictures, selfies. So now we are getting out. Okay, I like the inside very much. Just see. Wow. Okay, so we are moving forward to explore more. This is the Christ Redeemer statue. Wow, it's very much big. Christ the Redeemer statue. My mother doing fun. Wow, it's absolutely beautiful.
বাবু এরকম কই দাঁড়া আমি তোর একটা ফটো তুলি
যাবো গঙ্গাও দেখতে পাবো। এইটা দেখায়
ফটো করে যাব
ও ক্যামেরা জাস্ট লুক
ভালো ভালো ফটো তুলতে হবে
জাস্ট লুক অ্যাট ইট মাই গড
বদুন এবার তোর কিন্তু ছবি তুলতে হবে অনেক
জাস্ট সি Just see.
ওই যে নিচে কিন্তু
Okay, let me go down so that I am able to show you all. My God. Just see the thing. See the statues. See the statues. How tall and how beautiful the statues are.
ভেরি অনেক
Yeah, various statues are here, and I like.
This is my husband,
Hello.
my daughter, my sister is गायब कहाँ गई সে মনে হয় ফটোশুটে লাগছে This is my sister पागल हो गई है आज पूरा दिन
So now we all have sit to have our lunch. So we are having puri and aloo ki sabzi and some sweet we have. So it tastes really tasty. My mother is having, my Mosi is having, and my father is also having. He's holding the camera actually.
আমার মিলছে আমরা অনেক বাদ
So now we are gonna be going on the Great Wall of China, okay? By staying in India only we are, going to Great Wall of China. That's an interesting thing actually. Okay. The thing is big actually. See? Surrounding. Many plants are here. See? Wow. Very beautiful.
আমি করবো এবার করতে করতে যাবো
হ্যাঁ করো তুমি, অসুবিধা নেই।
তোরা আগে আগে যাও।
এই ব্যাগটা দিয়ে যা তোরা, তো দুজন যা।
This is nice place.
ও এই যে এটা চীনের পাখি, ওই জন্য এটা
View is really good.
वहाँ जाइए, यहाँ से फोटो।
साइड देखने में बहुत सुंदर है। देखिए आप लोग, ऊपर का व्यू कितना अच्छा लग रहा है। चलो चलो खड़े क्यों?
छानी पड़े जाবে।
The surrounding is very beautiful. The view is very nice actually from the wall of China. This side also, the view is very good.
देखिए यहाँ से कितना क्यूट लग रहा है देखने में, बहुत सुंदर। देखिए हम अंदर आ गए हैं, अभी हम नीचे उतर रहे हैं। कैसा लगा है आप लोगों को बताना मुझे। देखिए जैसे लग रहा है हम आगरा में आ गए हैं। बहुत सुंदर है। हम आ गए अभी उधर से। This is the next.
এদিকে
देखिए मेरी बेटी अभी फोटो खिंचवा रही है।
ভেতরে ঢুকে দাঁড়া।
हाँ ढूके दादा। हाँ
হ্যাঁ ব্যাস এমনি কর।
देखिए प्रीता इधर खड़ी है। सब अपने अपने मर्जी से सेल्फी ले रहे हैं। जैसे सेल्फी स्पॉट हो गया है मान लो। अंदर कुछ नहीं है। देखिए अंदर क्या है इसका। ये 7 अजूबा से और एक है। दिस इज द फ्रंट पोर्शन। देखिए ये
सामने से इतना सुंदर दिख रहा है। जस्ट सी।
कैसे लग रहा है आप सबको, पक्का कमेंट करके बताना। देखिए व्यू इको पार्क का कितना। ये हिबिस्कस है, येलो पिंक सारे टाइप का है।
These are also flowers.
ये देखिए इसको चंद्रमल्लिका बोलते हैं।
This is very beautiful.
ये इतना बड़ा जगह है कि आप देख के खत्म नहीं कर पाओगे।
पानी जस्ट
हम अभी चल रहे हैं। इसका 4 गेट है, 1 2 3 4। हम 4 नंबर गेट पे उतरे थे, अभी 4 से जा रहे हैं 3 की तरफ। देखते हैं कितना देख सकते हैं, पूरा तो नहीं देख पाएंगे, वो संभव भी नहीं है।
Actually इको पार्क बहुत ही बड़ा है और यहाँ पर चिल्ड्रन का प्ले पार्क भी है।
देखिए इधर एक शावर, क्या बोलते हैं इसको हिंदी में? हाँ फुआरा बोलते हैं, पता नहीं हिंदी में क्या बोलता है मुझे। हाँ कुछ होगा, ये शायद लाइटिंग में होता है शाम को या कुछ होता होगा, पता नहीं इतना। आपको कोई पता है तो पक्का बताना आप सबको।
This is a rose garden and all the rose which I am able to see here are of white color. Very beautiful the roses are looking. Marigold है, हाँ these are marigolds, yellow and orange color. I showed you before also. My God, yellow color rose. I hope all of you are able to see. The sunlight is coming. It may be a little dark, so I'm sorry for it. But yeah, the color of the roses are yellow, and it is a rose garden actually. Rose garden, very beautiful. Okay, this tree is also very beautiful. Okay, maroon. Yeah, this is the maroon rose. Wow. See? Wow. And that's the white. These are the red roses. There is white roses again. Actually, the rose garden is so much beautiful. Here, photo shoot will be very nice, isn't that? If we click photos, the photos will be very beautiful, I think. Completely, complete roses are here. I mean, many roses are here. Many colors are there.
We are going to.
So we are going to the bank of Gangas. Okay. The view will be amazing. See, I think this is a restaurant. Beautiful. Okay. Garden. Okay. Slowly we are moving forward. So many flowers are here. Wow. Big marigolds. Very beautiful. See? See, these are again some marigolds, and my God, these are very much big. And now we are moving on forward, and we are going to be going to the bank of the Gangas. Okay, this is the Ganga river. Okay, this is another kind of flower. Oh wow!
Boro calendula
Oh, okay.
and grass flowers.
Oh, Boro calendula and grass flowers. My God, these are lovely. Flower heaven, you can say. Loved it. See? Surrounding. See these roses. These are different color roses. Not red, a little different.
Orange, orange.
Kind of orange, not exactly orange. See these color of these roses are beautiful, and see this also, these flowers. Absolutely loving it. Very colorful, very beautiful. Wow. See, this is a artist's cottage written, and very beautiful the cottage is looking actually. And beside it only the garden are here. I have already shown you the beautiful and different color of roses. Very beautiful. Let's move near the Ganga banks and see, the view is amazing. Wait, yeah, let me go a little bit near so that it will be easier for me to show to all of you. Okay. Oh, just look how beautiful the view is. Spring. Yeah. Very beautiful. See, the flowers are very beautiful. That's the Ganga river, and it's a formal garden. Okay, so the flowers are very beautiful. There are marigold. This is a very beautiful garden. See the whole ambience. And here we all have said hi, Mama. We have sit here, and we are gonna be having some peanuts sitting here. Yeah, we are gonna be having some peanuts sitting here, and I really I'm loving the ambience of here. I mean the surrounding. Everywhere is flower, and flower. Very beautiful place and place of peace. See, this is a peanut my father brought from Bhatinda, Punjab. Okay, take it. Okay. Wow, loving it.
देखिए कैसा लग रहा है। अभी हम चल रहे हैं, पता नहीं कौन से गेट की तरफ जा रहे हैं, शायद 2 नंबर गेट की तरफ जा रहे हैं। नहीं, अभी 3 क्रॉस किया ना,
तो 2 ही होगा फिर तो। हाँ, ये गार्डन टाइप का है, यहाँ पर मतलब खेल सकते हैं, पिकनिक हो सकता है।
आप लोग पक्का कमेंट करके बताना कौन कौन इको पार्क में आए हैं और किसको किसको ज्यादा अच्छा लगा।
मुझे तो बहुत पसंद आया।
मेरे परिवार को तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, क्योंकि मैं फर्स्ट टाइम आई हूँ। इससे पहले अच्छा, मेरी सिस्टर 2-3 बार आ चुकी है, लेकिन मैं फर्स्ट टाइम आई हूँ क्योंकि आने का टाइम ही नहीं होता है।
कैसे होगा? ये फ्लावर्स कितने अच्छे लग रहे हैं सारे, मतलब
देखिए फ्लावर्स
ऑरेंज मैरीगोल्ड है और देखने में बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं। वैसे तो बहुत बड़े बड़े फ्लावर्स है, एंड थ्रू आउट द गार्डन देयर आर मैरीगोल्ड प्लांट्स। वर्ल्ड ऑफ पीस यू कैन से। Our return journey. So we are back home, okay, from Eco Park, and I really enjoyed there. and I hope all of you have liked my today's video. And if you have liked my today's video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay safe and secure. Bye.